feel like mine.
Walking the streets of New York. I feel like the bus will go with me and we really not the vibe to run it down. Because at the end of the day, it's night. I made it. Good night, I'm fine. Are you going to Parks in 17? Huh?
Trying to go to General Boo.
I am not from here, so I don't know what you're talking about.
Hey.
My hope is front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady?
So I'm currently waiting on the lift to carry me to Walmart because if I should use the bus, I won't reach for now. So yeah.
Crib by the beach like Odell.
Marching band.
No, my my killers don't tell. Chateau, my cause in New York, the shell. No, my bitches did.
They close in an hour, so I'm have to make this snappy. But I already have the list on my phone and I know exactly what I want, so we're gonna make it snappy.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Like me fast and do what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Need some me time. Doing what you want. In the meantime.
Guys, so I'm my rice. I need juice, 1 bottle of cranberry juice. And I need egg. I need milk, snacks, yogurt, granola, chicken and fruit. I think that costs are fruits because I already have the grapes in. And I don't think I need much more than that. Alright, you have this original cran grape, cran pineapple. You have cran apple. You have cran mango. You have cran tropical, cran watermelon. You have a cran everything. However, I'm gonna stick with this one right here. This one is my baby. I almost cried. I always a ball because I was inside the place a while ago, but my bank had restricted my card and I didn't know because I literally used my card before I came here. And I did that swipe out, it like now work. All that. I'm gonna go up on them and them restricted and then I have to verify. I didn't even read the charges them, so if the charges never make me don't know because I just didn't want to come out of the place because that shit was so embarrassing. And then I just because even after I verified it, it still would work. So I have to transfer the money to a different account to my have and use the card here. I think I've done else.
Take time, gotta trust you, I let you through. Got me questioning what you used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, but it's necessary. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. No, I wanna be around. I'm telling more than what I didn't think you ever be so crazy. I'm letting down my blood. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down.
I don't want to do nothing else, and I'm not going to do nothing else. This is my night. I come home tired. I come home tired from work every darn day and lie down right up on the ground and sleep. Then I jump up and say shit, I'm up on the ground. That's what I do. I'm so flipping tired and I have a morning shift tomorrow. Send help. That was a blink for help. But for real though, I am so tired. I'm gonna try eat. Like I'm gonna try eat tonight. I'm gonna try bed and then I'm gonna bed. There's nothing special about my routine. I work late, I'm coming tired, I'm frustrated. And it made me realize that I could have never deal with a pitney and coming so late and the pitney is just mothers are strong creatures. Here, cause imagine me come on now Only for somebody that depend on me to eat. But I crash out. Me that crash. Me not even eat myself. Like literally most night I come in and I lie down right so and drop asleep. And imagine come home I have to feed somebody. You have to pat them back up to school in the morning. You have to make sure say them teeth brush and everything. You have to make sure say homework do. You have to make sure say breakfast prepare. Oh my god, man, at me. Man, thinking that TV can breathe. I don't want to breathe. Oh my god. Breathe for a good man, eh? Can't remember breathe for a fuck up man that time like this. Yes.
Oh, sorry, I just something to ask you.
It's YouTube.
Oh.
We're going to try the cookie and cream mousse with chocolate cookie crumb to see how it tastes. This is how it looks. It looks real good. It looks like tiramisu. So when I saw it, I thought it was tiramisu. I didn't know it was something independent of itself. It gives like an ice cream type of vibe. Why it's so soft? It was soft? It tastes like hot ice cream. No, I'm right. I'm going to bed.